I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Moosend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for the API key. Please visit Moosend API console. Now go to Setting on the top right corner. Then click on API key under Setting. Copy this and paste it on the authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Method. Then choose List. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Moosend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Moosend. Here is the data that came into Moosend through the integration. Thanks for watching.